over Africa, where it's fine and sunny, is a pretty changeable look to the weather for the British Isles. We have two weather systems linked across the Atlantic. That one, if we zoom in a little bit closer, already moving quite steadily into western parts. It's pretty unsettled, incidentally, on some of those more eastern parts of Europe as well. There's the first of those weather systems. There's the next one. As that one moves across, so the next one comes along hard on its heels. And we're going to find those isobars packed in as well later on in the week. So not only are we going to have some spells of wet weather, we're going to have some windy weather as well. It's still quite bright, though, to end the day in eastern parts. The cloud gathering in the west. This is pretty thick cloud across Ireland, giving some outbreaks of fairly heavy rain. And that's already pushing into some southwestern parts, as well as into western Scotland. So that rain working its way across many western and northern parts during the night. One or two showers feeding in probably along the English Channel as well. But as you can see here, at least for most of central and eastern England, just a spot or two of rain here and there, but most places probably dry, and the temperature there dipping down to about 9 degrees as a result. Maybe just a hint of some brightness in those eastern areas to begin with, not lasting very long. We're already going to have the rain into eastern Scotland, into western parts, brighter showery weather by that time, having followed into Northern Ireland and western Scotland. We're going to find these outbreaks of rain working their way across the country during the day. Some of the rain quite heavy as well, but it'll turn a little bit more showery as it moves in towards central and eastern areas. So maybe just a hint, perhaps, of that brightness in between some of those bursts of rain. But the real brightness coming into western parts during the first part of the day, and then across to central and eastern parts during the latter part of the day. But there will be showers still left across in the west, although even those should become lighter and more scattered. Temperatures about the same as today. The strong winds that will pick up in the west overnight easing down, but some more windy weather coming into Ireland during the course of tomorrow evening, followed quite smartly, I think, by some more wet weather as well. And then into Thursday, although many parts of the country are going to start off dry and bright with some sunshine, there's wet weather already into the west, and that's going to work its way across to central and eastern parts as the day wears along. Brighter showery weather following in to the west, and then on Thursday and into Friday, it looks as if it's going to be a breezy day but a bright day with a fair number of quite